It's Callie, and today I'm going to show you guys what Poppy Olivia is going to be bringing camping, because we're going camping. So the outfit that she's going to be wearing is just this cute shirt. It's like white and some blue and a rainbow, and then those really cute pants are just kind of a darkish blue, and then those pink shoes, and then in her hair she has a ponytail. I know she looks kind of different, and then she just has a green headband. So I'm excited to get onto this video, so let's go.
Jacket that we're bringing is blue and it has flowers. This second jacket is this pink one, and it's really pretty and fluffy. The third one is a vest and it's red. Yeah. The one is a cardigan and it's white and pretty. This is the Thanksgiving one that the American Girl is going to be wearing. So yeah, it's red and white. The last dress that we are going to be bringing is this. It's purple and it has a gray bow.
Okay, so now we're moving on to the pants, and it is just these. They're kind of a reddish, dark reddish color, and yeah. Okay, the next pants are just these jeans, and they are just blue, and it has a pink belt. So yeah. Action. Okay, so then we're gonna go we're doing another pair of leggings, and they are just these rosy pink color. So yeah. Okay, so the next pair of pants, they're actually her pajama pants, and these aren't actually hers, it's a different American Girl dolls, but it's just some orange, some pink, and some yellow, and then it has yellow balls on the bottom.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
We are going to be moving on to the shirt. The first one we are going to be bringing is this pretty pink one. So yeah. The next one is just white, and it has hearts and flowers. It's so pretty. Yeah. So this is just a really pretty one, and it's purple, and it has a star. It was gray and a dark purple right here. That makes a star in the middle. And okay, this one is just a really pretty one, and it's her pajama. It's pink, and it has orange, yellow, green, lighter pink, and this is her pajama shirt. So yeah.
Okay, so we're on to the skirts, but it's not really skirts because we're only bringing one skirt. So it is just pink, and it has, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has a little bit of dots, like gray dots, and then it has a really pretty lace around it that's kind of brownish color. So yeah. Okay, so we're just bringing two pairs of underwear. This is pink, and then she has blue. So yeah. And then we're also just bringing this really cute gray scarf. So yeah. Okay, so we just I got a saloning chair thing, and it had this net that all of the hairpiece goes into. So I put a whole bunch of hair pieces, and there's a bow in there, and yeah. And then she has her brush. So yeah. Okay, so in her carry-on is just this little cute pink bag, and it's sparkly. And then in it, she has a crayon, and then a word search. And then she just has a chapstick to keep her lips moisturized. So, yeah. Okay, so we're going on to her food, and she has 2 spoons, a Lunchable, some popcorn, a fancy cup, a napkin, a plate, some bread with some sauce, a cupcake, a cup, and yeah. Okay, so now we're on to the shoes, and first she just has these really cute blue boots, and then they just are black on the bottom. And then she's bringing her pink slippers, and then her blue shoes, and yeah, they just have some really cute rosy colored laces, and yeah, so yeah.
Don't need to talk because we already.
I just unpaused it. Sorry about that, but what we're putting all her stuff in is this case, and it has 4 pockets, and then you put her in there, and then there's that. So we're gonna load all her up, and yeah, put all her stuff in there. Okay, so the first thing we're doing is the shoes. Yeah. You know they can see you. Okay, so now my cousin's gonna do this. Okay, so we ran out of space, so now we're going to put all the rest of the clothes on hangers. Then we're going to put it on to that because it has a space to put hanging areas. So, yeah. Then we're putting the cardigan over it because that's the cardigan goes with it.
So this is the next one we are putting on a hanger. Isn't that pretty? We are not putting the next one. Okay, we have this really pretty one. Okay, let's start doing this.
So now we're just going to fold that. So now we're going to pack the food in here, and then we'll be back. Okay, guys, we packed the food, and she's in there sleeping. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Comment down below other videos that you would like for American Girl Doll. And then subscribe. And, yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Bye, guys.